Imagine this: a simple kitchen combo of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of baking soda could unlock surprising relief for common aches and irritations. Seniors across the country are buzzing about this natural power mix. Applied just right, it can soothe dry, itchy skin, ease soreness, even settle an upset stomach. I first heard about it from a neighbor who kept raving about how it helped her grandma's arthritis and heartburn. In this video, we'll explore 12 health perks of blending olive oil with baking soda, from head to toe, each backed by research. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly how to use this remedy safely and why doctors say it can really make a difference. First up, soothing dry, aging skin and wounds. Olive oil is a natural emollient loaded with antioxidants and fatty acids that help seal in moisture and even speed wound healing. For seniors with rough or itchy patches, especially common as skin thins with age, try massaging a little extra virgin olive oil into damp skin. Adding a pinch of baking soda can gently exfoliate dead skin cells. In fact, studies show that olive oil can soften dry skin and even stimulate collagen in wounds, while a baking soda bath or paste is known to relieve itching and inflammation from eczema or irritated skin. A quick tip: mix about a tablespoon of olive oil with a teaspoon of baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to dry patches or minor cuts. Leave on a few minutes, then rinse. My own aunt swears by this mix for her dull winter skin. She says it's like a mini spa treatment at home. If better blood flow to your legs is the goal, think of this olive oil and baking soda combo as a gentle helper rather than a magic bullet. A teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil mixed into warm water with just a pinch of baking soda taken after dinner can supply artery-loving polyphenols, while the alkaline water calms digestion. Then, while the oil is working from the inside, warm a little more between your palms and spend 2 quiet minutes massaging it up your calves toward the heart. The mechanical action of your hands and the oil's slip encourage surface vessels to widen and blood to return more easily, easing that heavy leg feeling many seniors know too well. Do this daily. Stay consistent with light walking and leg elevation, and over time you may notice less nighttime throbbing and cooler, more comfortable feet. Of course, keep any doctor-prescribed circulation treatments in place, and if swelling or pain persists, get it checked. This home routine is meant to support, not replace, professional care. Next, dandruff and dry scalp relief. Many seniors suffer from scalp itchiness or flakes. Olive oil can deeply moisturize the scalp and even help loosen trapped scales. Health experts note that mixing baking soda with a natural oil, like olive oil, can reduce scalp irritation and make hair shiny. For a quick home remedy, massage equal parts olive oil and baking soda into your scalp, just a few drops of each to start. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash as usual. This combo can exfoliate away dandruff, while the oil soothes dryness. Just one caution: because baking soda is alkaline, only do this once a week and rinse well to avoid over-drying, and always follow up with a normal shampoo. Hair conditioning mask. Similarly, olive oil alone is a classic hair conditioner. It penetrates the hair shaft, seals split ends, and adds softness. If your hair feels brittle or has split ends, try this. Rub a little warm olive oil into your ends or roots, whichever need it most, and cover with a shower cap for 15 to 20 minutes. The result is smoother, shinier hair. Baking soda isn't added directly here, but you can mix a pinch of it into your shampoo to gently cleanse before the oil mask. A friend's mother did this weekly for months, and her hair went from straw-like to silky soft. Now let's talk foot care, cracked heels and odor. For rough, calloused feet or cracked heels, a simple scrub can work wonders. A podiatrist-recommended DIY scrub is brown sugar, a tablespoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix into a paste and gently rub on your heels or feet. Rinse off. This exfoliates dead skin, while the olive oil nourishes cracked areas. Seniors often complain of smelly fungal feet. Here, baking soda shines as a natural antifungal and deodorizer. Try soaking your feet in warm water with a handful of baking soda for 10 to 15 minutes. It can inhibit fungus and absorb odor. Then pat feet dry and massage a little olive oil on to keep the skin supple. Doctors even note that baking soda has mild antifungal properties that help skin and nail infections, and it neutralizes moisture to ward off odor. My husband swears this soak cured his athlete's foot itch after just a week. Heartburn and indigestion. Many seniors deal with acid reflux and indigestion, and baking soda is a well-known antacid. Because it's alkaline, dissolving even half a teaspoon of baking soda in water can quickly neutralize excess stomach acid. You might not have thought to add olive oil here, but it can actually help coat and soothe the stomach lining and has its own health perks. Preliminary studies suggest olive oil contains compounds that combat H. pylori bacteria, the culprit in many ulcers. So one home remedy: mix 1 teaspoon baking soda into a glass of water, drink it to neutralize acid, then follow with a teaspoon of olive oil. The oil isn't necessary every time, but it can be comforting and may help protect the gut. Safety note: this should only be occasional use. Medical news. Today warns not to use baking soda long-term, and people with high blood pressure or heart conditions should talk to a doctor first. But used sparingly, it's a fast, natural way to quell that burning tummy after a big meal. Stomach ulcers and gut support. Beyond heartburn, olive oil itself has been studied for gut health. A 2022 study found that compounds in extra virgin olive oil may inhibit H. pylori, a common stomach ulcer bacterium. While this isn't an immediate cure, it means regularly using olive oil in your diet can gently support your digestive lining. Seniors who suffer from gastritis or mild ulcers might take heart. Olive oil's antioxidants help calm inflammation. You could also mix a spoonful of olive oil into a small glass of baking soda water, as described above, to both soothe acid and cleanse the stomach lining. Just remember, if ulcers or reflux persist, always consult a physician. Joint pain and arthritis. If you have stiff knees, achy hips, or arthritis, listen up. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in a natural compound called oleocanthal, which works much like an anti-inflammatory drug in your body. In fact, the Arthritis Foundation notes that EVOO polyphenols effectively combat inflammation and can improve arthritis symptoms in joints. Here's a simple idea. Warm a little olive oil, body temperature, not hot, and gently massage it into sore joints each day. The warmth plus the oil can ease stiffness. For an extra boost, you can add a bit of baking soda to the massage oil to create a soothing paste. Its alkalinity can help reduce local inflammation. Recently, a 2025 study showed that olive oil extracts reduced inflammatory cytokines in rheumatoid arthritis patients. My sister, also a retiree, started doing this every night and finds her knees don't ache as much in the morning. It's not a replacement for prescribed meds, of course, but for mild joint aches, it's a gentle, drug-free option. Bug bites and skin irritations. For itchy bug bites or rash spots, baking soda is a classic remedy. Simply make a paste with a tablespoon of baking soda and enough water, or olive oil, to cover the bite. Apply it and let it dry for 10 minutes before rinsing. The baking soda neutralizes the irritating toxins and calms the itch. You can add a drop of olive oil to the paste to soothe the skin as well. Olive oil has its own mild anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial action, which complements the soda. My uncle swears by this after his garden parties. One quick dab, and the mosquito bite itch vanishes. Remember, if bites swell severely or persist, get medical advice, but for common itches, this home paste is worth a try. Urinary tract discomfort, bladder and UTI issues can trouble seniors. According to medical sources, a small dose of baking soda taken by mouth may improve urinary pH and ease UTI symptoms. How to use it? Dissolve about 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. This can make the urine less acidic, which sometimes helps reduce burning or urgency. Of course, this isn't a substitute for antibiotics when needed. It's just a gentle adjunct. If your doctor approves, you might drink this solution at the first sign of discomfort. And keep an eye on hydration and doctor visits. Seniors, especially those prone to infections, should always follow a medical regimen. Still, it's an easy bedside remedy that may ease a UTI flare before you see the doctor. Cholesterol and heart health. Now, not exactly immediate, but something to mention for longevity. Incorporating olive oil and reducing soda in diet can support heart health. Research has found that olive oil in the diet is linked to lower inflammation and higher HDL good cholesterol. Extra virgin olive oil has been the star of the Mediterranean diet, which is known to reduce heart disease risk overall. For example, studies suggest that a few tablespoons a day may help lower blood pressure and protect against cardiovascular problems. Seniors should know, swapping butter or less healthy fats for olive oil can modestly improve cholesterol and keep arteries clear. I like to tell my friends, it's not just about adding a spoonful today, it's about long-term heart protection. Always combine it with a balanced diet, of course. Memory and metabolic health. Scientists are even looking at olive oil for brain and blood sugar benefits. A 2024 review found that olive oil may reduce Alzheimer's risk and cognitive decline. In other words, those same antioxidants that benefit your heart and joints might also protect your brain as you age. Another study linked olive oil to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes in prediabetics. While we don't cure these complex conditions by oil alone, it highlights how this simple oil helps keep the body's systems balanced. So as you add olive oil to your cooking, or take a small teaspoon with your baking soda drink, know you're also giving your heart and brain a bit of an anti-aging boost. Quick tips and precautions. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips. Don't overdo the baking soda. It's great occasionally, but chronic use can upset your body's pH balance. Limit internal use to the occasional teaspoon, and always dissolve it well in water. People with high blood pressure, heart or kidney issues, or on certain medications should check with their doctor before drinking baking soda water. For topical use, do a patch test first. A small allergy or irritation can occur if you have very sensitive skin. And remember, extra virgin olive oil is best. The less processed, the more beneficial compounds it contains. If you've enjoyed these tips and found them helpful, please like and subscribe for more senior-friendly health insights. Share your own experiences with olive oil remedies in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to better health, naturally.